Welcome to Georgestone Automotive Collision.
We brought in a 2008 Toyota Avalon with damage to both front and rear bumpers. The vehicle also had damage to the left side on the front and rear quarter panels and also on the roof. The bumpers were removed and prepped for paint. Also, there was damage to the front bumper, which was repaired with the nitrogen welder. Dents were repaired by use of the Eagle 2. The entire vehicle was then sanded and prepped. The vehicle was primed with yellow epoxy primer sealant. The lead tech is demonstrating proper spray techniques to the other students. Students learn how to mix paint using the Wanda paint system. Outside of the booth, the lead tech demonstrates to the students how to utilize proper spray technique and foot movement when painting the vehicle. After the color and clear coats were applied, the vehicle was unmasked and prepped for reassembly. The vehicle was then cut and buffed. After final inspection, the vehicle was then washed and prepped for return to the customer. Georgestone Technical College proudly supports our vets.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like our page to see more from Georgestone Technical College Automotive Collision and Refinish.